haven't done this shit in a long ass time. So I don't really know what to do except to show you my new shit. I don't know. I have pretty much all new price. I have a bag. So, yeah. This is Lucky. He's about 4 months old. And I found him actually outside of the smoke shop, on the ground, face down, with spice in it. So I took it. And my best friend smokes the spice. And then this is Alexandria. She is my world. If you're wondering why I'm holding my finger over the bowl, it's because it has resin in it. And then this is for a memorial, per se, of my pipe Spyro that my ex-boyfriend gave me and broke. He was pretty. He had spirals all the way around him. And he had a little nub. And his name was Spyro. And he was my favorite pipe. And my ex-boyfriend broke him. I was pissed. First pipe I ever cried about. Rest in peace, Spyro. And then this other thing right here is what my ex-boyfriend replaced him with. I hate red. And then this is my steamroller. His name is Reptar, too. Right there. Right there. There's a lizard. It's green and purple. It's like Reptar. And Rugrats. I'm a kid inside. Yay! It's my favorite. And then this is my newest suit. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a hatchet man. And it's blue. Boop boop. Blue's my color. And then I have a chamber grinder with Cottonmouth Kings on it. And it's got cookie string and the hair on it. And then the bottom. And then last, I have my Batman bomb. This right here says for inhalation only. And then my ghetto ass bomb thing. Just a metal bomb. Alright, well, oh, I have a phone too. I don't know what to name it though. It's got a pretty big name. It's pretty good. I like it. It just doesn't have a name yet.